Good evening, everyone. I would like to share with you an old style looking cash register bank that I have. It's got a nice marble on it right there. It's in good working condition. It gives you the amount that you put in. All the keys work. Press this. The drawer slides open. Let's see. Let's take a dime just to show. Put the dime in. Give it a real good pressing. 10 cent come up. Now it's up to $2.45. Yep, not a bad looking cash register right here. It's got, like I said, it's got that old school look. That's what I like about it. But just wanted to share this little gem that I found with y'all. Thanks for watching. See you later.